Well, you guys, we're in Ogden, Kansas. They're putting in the windows here at the Habitat House. I'm going to step inside and meet the crew and everybody.
We got both sides. Yeah. How's it going?
All righty, how you doing?
Doing good.
What's your name?
My name's John.
How'd you get involved in this?
Oh, volunteering.
Volunteer. Oh. Glad he's wearing his helmet. That could have hurt.
That's right.
Safety third, everybody. Safety third. And they're getting things in. Got some windows in. Look at that. See, they caulk around the windows.
Well, I mean, the sides don't matter.
Getting in the firewall.
Sorry, got you again. Can you put it? Yeah. Okay.
There's the brains of the outfit.
Oh, that one's on the wrong side? Yeah. Hey, that's why I was fucking right sweet. Oh, there's an extra. Put it down, please. Put it down. Both.
Anyway, we're on the job today, getting it done. Hi, everybody. Anyway, this is what happens when the community gets together and does something. Awesome. All right, everybody, y'all have a great day. Make it count.